How to screen share the Tecno Camon 19 smartphone to a Samsung Smart TV using the screencast feature. So make sure your Samsung TV has the no signal screen at the moment. And then on your Tecno Camon phone, it's actually running Android 12, by the way. You'll go into the quick panel access and you'll want to make sure both the phone and your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi router. Okay, so that'll avoid conflict. And then on your quick panel access, you'll look for the quick toggle called screencast. And when you see it, long press it. This is going to show up like this here, but I want you to tap on settings and turn on cast. So you want to turn that on, this way it can actually enable the cast feature. So you'll just wait for your Samsung TV name to show up, give it a few seconds. It won't happen right away in most cases, so just wait for it. And when you see it, you'll make sure that's your Samsung TV name that's going to show up there. And then you will tap on it one time, a single tap. It's going to say connecting. Then you'll see a prompt on your TV screen. It'll say Tecno Camon 19 or whichever model you have. And then you want to use a remote to select allow. This way it can start the connecting. If you made it to this part here and it doesn't connect the first time, just go ahead and restart your phone, restart your router, turn off your TV, turn it back on again, and then try it again, okay? Now, for me, in my case, it shows nothing happened here, so you can just do what I'm doing as well, turn off the cast and turn it back on, okay? And then try it a second time. You'll see that here. Just give it a few seconds. Sometimes it just takes a while to connect. Now, once you're done and all set, you should have what I am showing you right now there. Then you can just see that depending on how strong your Wi-Fi connection is, there might be a delay. As you can see in my case, there was a lag. Now, if you want the auto rotate here, just make sure your phone is set to auto rotate. So look for the auto rotate toggle, make sure that's enabled. And as you turn your phone to landscape mode, it will also appear in landscape mode on your TV. And of course, this works with videos. It just depends on how strong your Wi-Fi connection is, will determine how smooth the streaming will be. And that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.